Very nice good morning to all of you. I am Roshan Kumar of Maths Teachers, Modern English School, Kunti Nagar, branch Navada. Students, today I am going to discuss theorem number 4 of exercise 7b. Okay, so what is the theorem number 4? If a perpendicular is drawn from the vertex of the right angle of a right triangle to the hypotenuse, then the triangles on both sides of the perpendicular are similar to the whole triangle and also to each other. So first, students, we understand this statement by a diagram. Okay, so first of all we draw a diagram. A triangle B A C is the right angle triangle. Okay, so here if a perpendicular is drawn from the vertex of the right angle, okay, from the vertex of the right angle, this is the right angle and this is the BC, the hypotenuse of this right angle triangle, angle of a right triangle to the hypotenuse, so we draw a perpendicular AD to the hypotenuse. Then the triangles on both side of the perpendicular, पर इस perpendicular के दोनों साइड जो triangles बन रहे हैं are similar, ये दोनों triangles similar होंगे and the whole triangle, and ये प्रत्येक triangle जैसे ABD is similar to angle ABC, angle ADC is similar to triangle ABC, and triangle ABD is similar to triangle AD. Okay, so and also to each other. Given a triangle ABC, a triangle ABC in which angle BAC, angle AD perpendicular to, and AD is perpendicular to BC. Okay, to prove that first, to prove that triangle DBA, triangle DBA is similar to triangle ABC, and the second number triangle DAC is similar to triangle ABC, and the third number triangle DBA is similar to triangle DAC. Okay, and proof. Let's start. This is the given and this is to prove that. First, in triangle DBA and triangle ABC, in triangle DBA and this triangle and triangle ABC and the whole triangle, so angle BDA equal to angle BAC equal to 90 degree. So BDA is 90 degree. This is the AD, the perpendicular to BC, and BAC equal to 90 degree. Whole triangle BAC is 90 degree, and the second angle B is common on both triangle. In triangle BDA, angle B is present, and angle BAC, big triangle, angle B is present. So angle B equal to angle B is common. We say that triangle DBA is similar to triangle ABC, angle similarity. Okay, and the second number in triangle DAC, DAC, this triangle, DAC, this triangle, and triangle ABC. ABC is the big triangle, whole triangle. So angle ADC, angle ADC equal C, and triangle BAC equal to 90 degree. First, and angle C equal to angle C is common. Okay, two corresponding angles are equal. Then we say that the triangle DAC is similar to triangle ABC is angle similarity. Okay. Next, third, in triangle DBA and triangle DAC, DBA and triangle DAC. Okay, it means this triangle and this. So first, angle BDA, DBA, angle BDA, angle BDA equal to angle CDA, angle CDA equal to DDA. First, and look of students, in angle ADB is 90 degree. So this triangle is called right angle triangle. So ADB is right angle 90 degree, and this angle and this angle, the sum of these two angles is also 90 degree, because the sum of the angles of a triangle is 180 degree. So first is 90 degree, and the sum of angle B and angle BAD is 90 degree. So angle B plus angle BAD, angle BAD equal to 90 degree. Okay, and in big triangle ABAC, in big triangle we write BAD plus angle CAD equal to 90 degree. So angle BAD plus angle CAD, angle CAD equal to 90 degree. Chunki this is the right angle triangle divided into the two parts. AD divides the angle 1, angle A is two parts. So and first is BAD and second is CAD, but whole is 90 degree. So we say that angle BAD plus angle CAD equal to 90 degree, and the RHF is equal, then LHF is also equal. So angle B plus angle BAD equal to angle BAD plus angle CAD. Angle BAD is cancelled. So we say that ki angle B plus angle CAD. Okay, angle B and angle CAD, these angle and these angles are equal. Okay, so first is 90 degree. So first is 90 degree, and the second is angle B equal to angle CAD, and the two corresponding angles are equal. Then we say that ki triangle BDA, triangle DBA is similar to triangle DAC, angle similarity. Okay. Some more results. So theorem number first. If two triangles are equiangular, okay, if two triangles are equiangular, what is equiangular? I have discussed in first video lecture. Equiangular, two triangles are said to be equiangular if their corresponding angles are equal. All corresponding angles are equal. So if two triangles are equiangular, prove that the ratio of their corresponding sides, is the same as the ratio of their corresponding altitudes. Okay, so first of all, triangle ABC, we draw a diagram. Triangle ABC and triangle DEF, and second is triangle DEF. Corresponding side is the same as the ratio. Altitudes AL and the altitudes dm. So we proved that कि BC by EF equal to AL by DM. Okay, so given a triangle ABC, in triangle ABC and triangle DEF, angle A equal to angle D, angle B equal to angle E, and angle C equal to angle F, because both triangles are equiangular. So angle A equal to angle D, angle B equal to angle E, and angle C equal to angle F. Then and AL is perpendicular to BC and DM is perpendicular to EF. Okay, to prove that BC by EF equal to AL by DM. Okay, and proof. In triangle ABC and triangle DEF are equiangular. In triangle ABC and given triangle ABC and triangle DEF are equiangular. If two triangles are equiangular, then we say that कि two triangles are similar. कोई दो triangles equiangular है, इसका मतलब उसका तीनों corresponding angles आपस में equal है. corresponding angles आपस में दोनों ट्रायंगल का क्या है, इक्वल है. चूंकि एंगल ए इक्वल टू एंगल डी, एंगल बी इक्वल टू एंगल ई, एंड एंगल सी इक्वल टू एंगल एफ, दोनों ट्रायंगल्स का करस्पॉन्डिंग एंगल्स आपस में क्या है, इक्वल है. हम कह सकते हैं कि दोनों के दोनों ट्रायंगल क्या है, सिमिलर है, एंगल सिमिलरिटी से. सो एंड ट्रायंगल ABC एंड ट्रायंगल DEF आर इक्विएंगुलर. इसका मतलब ही यही है कि ये दोनों ट्रायंगल्स का तीनों एंगल करस्पॉन्डिंग एंगल्स आपस में क्या है, इक्वल है. सो वी से दैट कि ट्रायंगल ABC इज सिमिलर टू ट्रायंगल DEF. ओके, DEF. जब ये दोनों ट्रायंगल्स आपस में सिमिलर हैं तब हम लोग लिख सकते हैं कि इसका साइड भी आपस में प्रोपोर्शनल होगा. जब दोनों ट्रायंगल ABC एंड ट्रायंगल DEF दोनों के दोनों ट्रायंगल्स जब सिमिलर है तो सिमिलर होने के लिए दो कंडीशंस चाहिए. बट हमारा क्राइटेरिया था कि एंगल से हम दोनों ट्रायंगल को सिमिलर कर सकते हैं. तो जब हमारे पास करस्पॉन्डिंग एंगल्स आपस में इक्वल है, और जब ये ट्रायंगल सिमिलर है, इसका मतलब है कि इसका करस्पॉन्डिंग साइड भी आपस में क्या होगा, प्रोपोर्शनल होगा. सो वी से दैट कि AB by DE equal to BC by EF. Okay, equation first and AC by DF, but AC by DF का जरूरत नहीं है, so इतना ही. Okay, so equation first. अब इन ट्रायंगल ABL, इन ट्रायंगल ALB, इन ट्रायंगल ALB एंड ट्रायंगल DME. Okay, in triangle ALB and triangle DME, angle B equal to angle E. Okay, angle B equal to angle E, and angle ALB equal to angle DME equal to 90 degree. चूंकि altitudes, DM is the altitudes corresponding to side EF and AL is the altitudes corresponding to side BC. So this angle and this angle is 90 degree. So angle we write angle ALB equal to angle DME equal to 90 degree. So triangle ALB is similar to triangle DME, angle similarity से. ट्रायंगल ALB सिमिलर टू ट्रायंगल DME, एंगल सिमिलरिटी से. जब ये दोनों ट्रायंगल सिमिलर हो जाएंगे तो ये दोनों ट्रायंगल के साइड भी आपस में क्या होंगे, प्रोपोर्शनल होंगे. तो बी राइट AB by DE इक्वल टू AL by DM, AL by DM, equation 2. Okay, so first equation is AB by DE equal to BC by EF, and second is AB by DE equal to AL by DM. So from equation 1 and 2 we get LHF is equal, okay, then RHF is also equal. BC by EF, we write BC by EF equal to AL by DM. So a student, we say that if two triangles are equiangular, then we say that the ratio of the corresponding altitudes, corresponding side is same as the ratio of the corresponding altitudes. So second theorem of some more results of exercise 7b. So theorem number 2, if two triangles are equiangular, prove that the ratio of their corresponding sides, is the same as the ratio of their corresponding medians. In previous theorem, corresponding sides is the same as the ratio of their corresponding altitudes, and in this theorem, same as the ratio of their corresponding median. So first of all, we draw a diagram. ABC and DEF, A, B, C and DEF, and AD is the median, divides BD equal to DC. Median divides the side DC, corresponding side, okay, and AL and DM. So in triangle ABC and triangle DEF given, in triangle ABC and triangle DEF, angle A equal to angle D, angle B equal to angle E, and angle C equal to angle F. क्योंकि two triangles are equiangular, it means all corresponding angles are equal in both triangles, and AL and DM are the medians, okay, medians. To prove that, BC by EF equal to AL by DM. If two triangles are equiangular, prove that the ratio of their corresponding sides is the same as the ratio of their corresponding medians. BC by EF equal to AL by DM. So prove in triangle ABC and triangle DEF, triangle ABC and triangle DEF are equiangular. They will say that कि triangle ABC is similar to triangle DEF. Okay? दोनों ट्रायंगल्स हमारे क्या हैं? ABC और DEF सिमिलर है. जब ABC और DEF सिमिलर है तो we say that we write कि AB by DE equal to BC by EF. Right? AB by DE and BC by EF. But if AB by DE equal to BC की जगह पर हम लोग लिख सकते हैं 2BL, क्योंकि मीडियन क्या करता है, अपने corresponding sides को दो इक्वल पार्ट्स में डिवाइड कर देता है, बाइफेक्ट करता है साइड को। एंड डीएम भी बाइफेक्ट कर रहा है ईएफ को, और एल भी बाइफेक्ट कर रहा है किसको, बीसी को। तो हम लोग लिख सकते हैं क्या, बीसी के जगह पर बीएल इक्वल टू एलसी, दोनों साइड इक्वल है तो हम 2BL लिख सकते हैं। बीसी की जगह पर 2BL बाई 2EM, 2EM, ओके। एंड 2 is cancel, so BL by EM, BL by EM. Now in triangle ABL, in triangle ABL, ABL and triangle DEM, and triangle DEM, okay, ABL and triangle DEM. So angle B equal to angle E are given, angle B equal to angle E क्या है, given, and AB by DE, AB by DE equal to BL by EM, BL by EM. So B equal to angle E and AB by DE and BL by EM, BL by EM, यानी टू साइड्स का प्रोपोर्शनल एंड इंक्लूडिंग एंगल्स आपस में क्या है, इक्वल है। देन बी से दैट कि ट्रायंगल ABL सिमिलर ट्रायंगल DEM साइड एंगल साइड से। सो ट्रायंगल ABL इज सिमिलर ट्रायंगल DEM साइड एंगल साइड क्राइटेरिया, ओके। For triangle ABL is similar to triangle DEM, then we say that कि AB by DE, ABL and DEM equal to AL by DM, equation 2. So equation first and 2, from first and 2 we get कि LHS is equal AB by DE, and the first equation AB by DE by AL by DM. So BC by EF equal to AL by